remakes will never get old to me. Hey guys, so I'm here to do another squishy package opening video for Kawaii for girls. Y'all know I love this website. Go check them out. You already know the details. Everything will be down below in the description box. They were kind enough to send me a surprise package and I have no idea what's in here. Then again, when do I know anything? And here's their business card, very cute. So the first thing that I pulled out here is their Mochi Jelly fruit squishy, and oh my gosh, look at how legit this packaging is. I'm feeling this packaging. I can't figure out how to open it. There we go. Ooh, this feels so weird. So there's like a leaf and stuff to make it even more legit. It's like, what kind of fruit is that? It's a pomegranate? I think that looks like a pomegranate, but oh my gosh, it's like so squishy. And I don't know, it's so sticky too, and it's like weird, but like in a good way. So yeah, that's the mochi squishy, and I'm pretty sure that's a pomegranate inside, even though I've never seen a pomegranate inside a mochi. But you know what, you do you, mochi. So she sent me another jelly squishy. Oh my gosh, we gonna start a mochi family, you guys. Here's the next jelly squishy, and I think that, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a pineapple inside. If you were a fruit, you'd be a pineapple. The next couple of things that she sent me are the Money Friends animal squishies. These are kind of like the jelly squishies as well, where it's like not foam, but it's like squishy. Here's the bunny. Look at how cute it is. Look at how jiggly it is. Like, it's so jiggly. Yes! And this is so like, I don't know, it's so fun to play with. And then the next one is the panda. They're so cute. It's just like so, just right there. It's so fat and cute and tiny, and I can't. And it's so jiggly. I can't get over how much it jiggles. It's just jiggly. Ah! But again, chill Siri. And then the next one is this bear. Ooh, are these scented? These low-key smell good. Yes, I think they're scented. Or am I tripping? Because this one smells like soap. It smells good though. And this one smells kind of fruity. Or am I just losing it? I don't know, but they smell good. So, very cute. Next one is this sheep. Oh my gosh, this sheep is so cute. Look at it. It's so cute. I can't get over it. Here's the last animal squishy, and it's this cute little pig. Look at how adorable. And then, for the grand finale. You guys, are you ready? I need to brace myself because I know I'm gonna die. Can we just talk about how big this tag is? Like, it's almost the size of my face. It's so big. The cute acrylic tag. It smells so good. It smells like strawberry haichu. I love strawberry haichu. Comment down below what's your favorite haichu flavor. I'd like to know. My favorite is strawberry and mango. Yes, those are my favorites. Everybody brace yourselves. Do you see how slow that's rising? Oh, here it is out of the packaging, and then there's like a cute monkey. Is that a monkey? Yes, it's a monkey. And it has a cell phone pluggy in case you want to put it on your phone and just like, you know, you do you. If you guys are wondering, I film with my iPhone 6s. That's the one that I use right now, but I kept my old phone anyways. No one's judging if you just want to put your ginormous strawberry squishy on your phone and just like have it hanging around like, hey girl, how you doing? This can also serve as like a self-defense weapon if anybody wants to bother you or like harass you or anything. You just whip out your phone and like pack, smack, and they knocked out. Like, there you go. What more do you want in a squishy? You got a squishy, a stress reliever, a cell phone charm, and something to protect you when you in danger. Boom, drop the mic, drop the squishy. You guys, I can't. Look at how squishy that is. So that is everything in my Kawaii for Girls surprise squishy package video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This squishy, I'm telling you. And these mochi squishies, oh my gosh. These animal squishies, yes. Don't forget to check them out. I'll put all their links down below in the description box because you guys know how much I love their website. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!